Welcome back to another channel. Today I'm going to try and drink lemonade, fizzy lemonade, without burping. Now let's try it. I got it right here. Ready? I nearly burped then. I burped. I lost. It's actually pretty. It's pretty easy, but like for me, it's actually pretty hard. I drink this much. See? Look how much there is left. Wait. Oh no, I cannot. Oh, yeah, I cannot manage it. So yeah, you can try this at home. Drink like a fizzy drink without burping. My mum did it, and she actually didn't burp at all. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna see you in a different video. Like and subscribe. Peace. Oh yes, guys, remember my YouTube channel, my new YouTube channel, Tensy Gaming, is coming out soon.